Ugo iji nde mmadụ wu bịa gwa people mana akpọ gị n'ike mana ha akpọ gị n'ike anyị nwere agreement ka anyị nwe ha agreement and I don't know why you are shying away from the real reality. You are shying away from the reality. You and I were a conversation. When you called me arrest, what did you tell me? You told me that also person. Why you don't want to call the person? Share why? Is it not the person that is Jebono? This mbamba ni ikempo huro tula bulagi. Na nkempo huro tula bulagi. Na wumbola madure ndragi favor. Yasugi po huro tula. Ke collect ya. Guys, share on this page. I back I mount. We don't mount. We don't mount. We don't mount. Follow the page, share the page. Gishim nam ikem ohuro tula bulagi. Masi shigini yasen on mama buhu. On mama buhu. Don't you name me? No just no. Yadabaka mother name me. That was the I want to witness. I told you anywhere you even attempt progress someone the booze or derunu. Gina ex-convict. I'm a good user. Maunu nkong from IG. A question him the way the need to go. And the police get ready to come small. You want to go? Ime pere onu bamshi ikem ohiro to la bulagi. Why are you denying the conversation I had with you personally, Jpac? Why are you denying it? Why are you putting up a straight face to deny it? So people simple. You accepted the challenge. You said, let us, when you return, that return, no? Gas is here. You don't owe anybody any clarification. You owe me big time. Until the day I get me to examine all the them hapugaka. Any door and decide to make it examine with the denga hapugaka. Guys, every report is in bully and harassment is it. Come Swazi and Igbo. Come Swazi Igbo. Kaine jisi why your name made the caption. You want to go? Come on, because you on Facebook and bring my videos back. I'm a dogodia Jpac. You want to go? I'm a dogodia. Okay, we put your monetization right here because I am on Facebook. Next time, you must leave this fight. Why are you fighting me all tooth and nail if I'm lying? Each and every people video mbaka. They play a video, all the video mbaka. Can people just say, Ogechi, can face him mbaka. The game each or eba. Before you was born, Aaron Wagom shit in a Facebook. You want to go? Before you was born, Aaron Wagom shit. So, if you like, go bring wagara. The same thing lied on. The same thing in wagara name. Before you end that help, you should give it to Otoge Konage. Couples with what Jpac told me. Number one, this particular person favor. You should give Huro to la Konage. Ni keja Huro to la Deroya. The same thing with the same thing na Kuru. Now before wagara be nege anything. No ga shigi we talk muge kaona. Na ekwela mo okwu ana before man information nke wagara. Ekwela mo okwu ana before somebody man no dey na enwere video dey like that. To tell you that everybody rallied around Jpac. Everybody on Jpac name no akuku Jpac with the same lifestyle they live. So they cannot do anything without asking you for something. Are you not sure? So you guys cannot do anything without asking for anything in return. Okay. You don't need to. Amadio Hamabukwegi. Come on, Shinga for you, son. Come on, Shinka. Zuzupu go say so. Effort from here. Chineka Bogoku. Ejioku kamje destroy unu niile. Ejioku kamje destroy unu niile. We'll never see anything. So Jpac, if you know that Ogechi is lying, what I am saying, I'm not to ash. Why are you doing everything for me to close my mouth? Why are you paying wagre 500,000? Why are you paying a Bonilos bleaching son 500,000? Why are you paying akuni ukawakonamo ego? Why are you paying obagali nka meri luka ostrich? Why are you paying all these hungry bloggers? Why are you paying 0 minus 0000? Why are you paying them to come and defend you? Why are you paying them to come and defend you? Jpac, you made a post. Nage bata Nigeria, I'm gay provide them. I'm going my daughter here, my doctor can be alive ready for you. Do you want me to go to that level? Came up on people be ready for it. Simple. Yes. That all these things, I am the best content creators in the East now. I am the best. Guinea marriage were the best. Those that you did not call the best, you did not use their Ike. Those that you seen that you are better off because they did not use their Ike. Can you make up for my carry orders? According to you, can you make up for my carry orders? The question should be asked peacefully. Guys, if you are joining this page, follow this page. Follow this page if you are joining this page. So in case of anything, I can use any page. You want to go? I am the best. Wagri akeza nkabero luka ostrich ana or gene obagali. Ana oil bagado. I get you kere confused. I can swear. And the Jpac is in the Ghana, is in China. Ne make commercial back to back. Na kuku onye buarishi. And what concerns it again? Na commercial you went to China to do? What concerns it kegi? What concerns that Abraham nam we kept odo to la gulage? And I make what is my business? Muna also got wealth. Muna also got China. I'm trying to get my blue passport to one. I get waste some time. China can get a blue passport to enter any country that I want. Ghana from China. China can get up and now say my business. Ghana from China. Are you okay? Oh no, China. Name my business. Why no China? All those men, they get him and home wine. You better welcome again. Why didn't we sue Why is it that he's only men? That means he went and sacrificed it too. Hanka. That welcome to you in China. Wine or Corona China. Guys, I want to China because China. Those men, they are be taking a hotel. What are they doing with you? Those men in China, what are they doing with you? Because injury, it just him that say I'm a geek or okay, aya. Tiro, Otila, for here. Po? Guinea man. Mbe batara China, ima ejila amu kwa gwogi sensusu na China. Ihe kpọrọ na China ama ha karị. Ị gara China je chọ ọ naanị gị ka ụmụ nwoke Nigeria na igbu ime Igbo na ahụ. Naanị gị ka a na-enye commercial, naanị gị ka a na-enye contract. Kọwara anyị we afu. Guys, because share this video. Share this video. Follow this page. Share this video. Follow this particular page. Share this video. Because my number, thank you, Justice Bakoko. Thank you for sharing my number. Share this video. People matter them no share because share this video. Onu hapu the question onu ganajo. Oshina but I may go accept the challenge. Now you came into the challenge because I just wanna tag it. Men just were to like be boji. Peto to like potom. Give an ega test now. In fact, I got shinka overcharge. Extension get to go overcharge. Kapatabana koromi here. Kapatana na korogi na koromi him na bakamoto. The challenge Brigo. The challenge Brigo. You must do that. The point what they must question you. People that you tormented their family, people that you harassed, they views because they not ego. Thank God that I don't make no money. People with Ogechi, have you ever seen any of my page that is monetized? Okay, don't worry. Oh yeah, Otila. Have you ever seen any of my page? Have you ever seen any of my page that is monetized? So everything I say it truth. And when he hear it, and I may make an go. So anybody got big baggy, oh, you're doing this because of money. That person is deceiving his or herself. That is, and when in pages, even I can log in another one, check it from another one. And when in pages, this one is equal to be monetized, but I should not go monetize. I say I not go monetize. Facebook will send the channel everything for me. I don't want to. So nobody will come say, okay, go Facebook come now. Go there. Jpac he brutal people make ego with lies. Jpac that carried people and made money with lies. That make ways and joku because anybody that will come out now support to Jpac and I say it with my full chest. If you can swear and stand full chest, now get that you know. Onye na mi here na shi amaromu or anarage mo na hanage. Any poto la wujuru muni ana form. This is how you talk. In a bit of Jpac ishi, all these places on aga. Emma, what sacrifice that guy in make before he went to those things. Any poto la wujuru muni ana form without being biased. With Mbeze, why didn't you guys come out and attack Ezobi? When Ezobi, because all Ogechi, now everybody are coming. I'm at the name in the way one man. Should I do it again? I'm going to go. Do it again, Palm, Kana, no money. Ask my mother, Hamabugi. How can somebody know that what can you remain here? Bien, Yawuruma man the Jpac and I gave you. Yawuruma or Nana Digi, this idiot drum question. Where is that? This Rita Duru. Yawuruma Digo son dona or your boyfriend Digi gave you. Did you hear what I said? In your but am I maintaining it? You kept Ohimu to la Bolaya. Yawuruma man, you start listing their names. You start it is na channel. I say how many ammo they start listing their names. I maintain my stand, you know what I'm tomorrow. The only thing that will end this matter will Yagabia exam women accept. Exam okay, can you change your beer at the 10 minutes? Ayang, what's the chame? Ayang, I bring a bound again. Jesus. Hello? Morning, no. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Oh, more. Thank you. Okay. I'm on your number. I'm on your me. Yes. Okay. Keep it bottom. Okay. Thank you. Okay. Outside bottom. Okay, my brother. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Rita, hello, can block una chum distraction here. Oh yeah, fuck off. She got for? Oh yeah? She got for, so get out. Jeju me unegi those voice notes. You want to go? What is this? Oh yeah, but here be queen you may wepugo. May wepugi. My question wo gini mere Jpac puji pushi exam mo na ya plan ni ime. Ihe unu na akwa wote my problem o. I distract am map enyoge. I distract am map enyoge. I'm not here to explain anything. And the way all am kuro wo nyo la game agree. You must not agree. You must not agree. Okowadi. Don't everybody go follow agree wetin I dey talk. But don't disagree na him the short of it. Don't disagree na him the short of it. Okay? You must not agree. But you cannot force me. Can I accept you? Can push ni him kuga wash. You must not agree or I did not force you to agree. Those who are agreeing on the truth. So go and argue with your ancestors. Go and find out questions you need to know from them. Did you hear what I said? I will maintain my stand till tomorrow, till the next year. Hello? Hello? Yeah, there. Good evening. Happy Sunday, sir. I save him number again now. Hey, Alpha. I came and I'm not live. Okay. Okay. Okay, Asabaka. Tag anu na Asabaka. Asabaka bia. Ana na oge wa mere welcome in Egypt. You want a lot to say. Asabaka potano na. Ana ma piano. Ana ma bia ba. Exactly. Okay. Asabaka, go and make food for your husband this way. My husband, I know, unable to this country. My husband is a military guy, he's not around, but he'll be back soon. And what I go? My husband is not, he does not live by bread, food alone. What I go? He's not people like you. Any name were okay. Asabaka, I know they read them, but people just caught my attention. Because request and join. Actually, he were a lot to tell. Because my message with the people re long. So anybody better hear a big question on my truth. If I did question on my truth, but you want me to believe that you did not agree. Eh? 11:23. This case, you want to go? You want me to change the truth? Okay, Mary, that test. Okay, John, why would you change Obia? John, why would you change Obia? Asabaka, because can somebody tag Asabaka? Somebody brought to my attention. Look at somebody got an Yam Baba. You went to Yam Baba live show. Yam Baba Jogi. Basara disi fanye oba ne friend dene. This is love for ya. This is ni ne ba kwa ya carry amunye ya lo ya. Now the day me get a candle night. Gini mere. Only love for more than one ya o. You did not go to that candle light. Gini mere that very day. Ishina. Ni love for yo carry amunye ne ba kwa ya carry amunye yo. But I don't want to go to negative part of that thing you said. Let people just ire gweze hono. People just ire gweze hono. Onye love from mother nwunye ya. Ke unu na ajo majuju kan that one has a go no you na ajo. love ya karịa nwunye ya. Ọ na-ebe akwa ya karịa nwunye ya. O wutere ya karịa nwunye ya. Onye mụrụ mmadụ ụmụ. Somebody that will be wearing a fempe. Jpac kazi agba mkpe. While emere ya candle night. Jpac did not happen ihe niile ọ na-eme to go and meet candle night emegere Ifeanyi Oba. And somebody wants to come and tell me bullshit. Come and tell me bullshit. Okay, man, like Igbo people na push gana ewepụta ihe niile no gana ọnụ. My question, who can love you like all the kana? Your money more than me if anything happened to when happen him. Who is a fool here? Deceive this time. Who is deceiving each other? I don't want to go to negative part of it. Gain a conscience again and then support again. May he interpret that your video as a second wife as again, you know. As you be your papa or you be your mama. As a second wife, as you wait in the pan, all the would take carry on your way also. Actually, you Jpac, you know. Because everybody wants to come here, instead of you to, I understand say the truth. What did I do to you? Everything and I'm a coque. Happens here, which one? Oh, washawo, luralo, oh, washawa luru, oh, ya with the one. A shawa luroya with the one. Mekuna ne kuke we joku. Mekuna ne kuke we joku. Mekuna ne kuke we joku. Ona atu gidesu no wu na ashe. Mekuna na ekuke we isiokwu. Owu maka na mpuga. Unu cho ka esetu no mata. Jpac ga akpụtara nna m enyi. Ashehum ga ehi. Ashehum imahe we enyi. Akwi wonya ala Igbo. O ga bia mere my father public apology. O ga bia gwa m nga nna m nọrọ repu omu. O ga bia gwa m ebe nna m nọrọ bụ ọmụ ọnụ. O ga bia gwa m all the lies. He has to tell me all these things. Tomorrow, I'm not page here now. Or the guy use to here for now. I'm on Facebook who got replying on the other videos. Tomorrow, follow this particular page. No grief for anybody this year. Oh, I had this page. Follow this page. Tomorrow, nkita bola. Nkita bo eriri okazinaka. Nketa bo udela na eri anu onwe ya. Ozu nde nugu pefa juru aju. A man emuru the whole world o ma ho tu mkpuru umu ya. A deportee from Dubai. Onye enwe ha aka that fake to be this. Look at how you don't cast. You don't cast for Zion. Or she try come Nigeria. Oh, don't worry. You got home there. Don't say try. December 30th, Jerem. Odogu na abata n'obodo. If you not see me in Nigeria, make a payment. Down in Nigeria this December, you all I'm gonna get pele. Anything where I tell you, Matana, everything that I'm saying about Jpac, they are all lies. If you don't see me in Nigeria on the 30th of December, Dizen Kamaram, Madam Jpac, Mohem ne could always open. Jin Kamaraziemu. Cherem, you that are looking for me, wait for me. You will see me. But Abakolo somebody home. Abakolo so. I say, oh, I am in a Facebook. Oh, don't do amo. Where kwam gauge where I'm working palie lupaya strong. Where kwam you where I'm working palie paya because I got a man on Nigeria now do me vam. Now do you do paka. Okay. I got man on Nigeria now. She Jpac ya put a hospital. I made that test. Jpac must come out and you made that test in the hospital. So that is exactly what he told me. Ni came polio to nelu abulaya. And when witnesses, edge evidence. Edge anime jenny de oga putaka pukai no ni wu. ya wuru na na-akpọ ya n'ike ka o ji gwa m na ike mkpoli otulu agwụla ya ka o ji gwa m na so person mgbe ọlọ chọkọbere nda ya favor ya shi akpoli ike elu. Was I there? Was I there? I want a witness. Was I there? And I said, I got you. Yeah, with evidence. I want a witness. I want people until and align with him. We stand by it. Even the person just okay. Her testimony. She am not godi. In fact, is your bondo. Young baramo. Na court to Ebana Shigi, do you have witness? Who was there? Who had it? Ano baba bacheneche. Evidence plenty. Find natural evidence, but I will not give it to you. I'm Jadoga. Actually, go make an inch. Common evidence surplus like dead body. Evidence fool. You think I'm playing? You think I'm playing? When I'm dealing with that, I must think I'm playing. Mecha Jpac ife, everything I'm stating, in facts. Evidence. Come on, shut up. Who are you to tell me when to release my evidence? In Ongang, were you on the line? In Mandeno on the line, people that are ready say, okay, even if in a federal high court or everywhere na ECOWAS, they go be there. Georgia, Joy Adudu, maybe we show that evidence. Abraham, she to la bulaya. Exactly what she told me. And every time with so person, may I give favor. Yana talking about hero to okay, why didn't he cost that person that day? I had to go and bring people to the line. The person that we were able to rescue this pan. Why did you allow me to call the person in Pelo? And some people want me to come and close my. Go and check the broadcast, Omere. The broadcast, Omere and Kayam Baba. On a back one, you're crying more than the belief. You're crying more than the belief. As a second wife was again. A second wife was again. A second wife was onye. Ije back carry only even the one you to go to that thing you put as onye ke wo. So you let it penny down. Let's interpret it all. For those of you that want to reinterpret the ones I said, or yeah, interpret this one. For those of you, interpret this interview. For those of you, people, the game. Now, interpret this one. Now. For those of you, why are you calling in down now? Why are you now interpret this one? Why did he have to cry more than Donyan Wosu? Are you guys ready to interpret it? Are you guys ready to use your carnal mind and interpret it as well? The way you interpreted my own, just to find me guilty. Just to find me fucking guilty. So what you're saying don't make your sense. Are you now ready to also reinterpret the same thing that I said the same way Oji made the interview? Have you ever seen onye get bekari onye wolso apa? Bring on knowledge those that are speaking out of hate because of Ogechi. It must not be true because Ogechi said it. It mustn't be true. You swear with your useless life. You can leave very soon. You swear with your messed up life. You can leave very soon. Imagine. So you need at this world, you put out with your full chest. Nigga goro a man that is not even steady with his own self. What can I to go do that can change at any or my Ogechi? Or also. Kena durishi na wopo ihe bara nike. Na come on at the level of yours that the one may tola uhogologo. One may togo apurogologo. So you can vow because of one little how much is 500,000? How much is 500,000 naira? Kamanu genyegi. You start reasoning like iti wona wolodo. You start reasoning like in na bona bale. I just dey pity you. I just dey pity you. I told make no noise that will get shigent. That noise get shigent. And they got no get there until the day you women. That noise got ko shigent. Dal. Look at ndo to her. Ndoji otule kumini. Ndoji otule kumini. Ojo otule mogo. Ojo otule ashi. Thank you, sir. Ndala. Because Ogechi no. Oshimunono. Come and interpret it. That challenge you accepted. That thing you may accept. We finish it together. Guys, share the video. Click love and like. They are reporting my video. Alright. Oya. Otilo. Biko, share this video. Click love and like. Follow the program. So, bringing video Mbaka mere over a year. Oboroga, je wote nka ha unu no ya. Wote nka ha ex-convict na ya. Wote nka ha again na ya. Go to she dig, go and dig out those ones. Una name day. You want to go? Don't use Mbaka matter to cover anything. Do not use Mbaka matter. And for those of you that come in, Mbaka Buronya and make I go that side. A lot of my followers like Mbaka. And because if you guys want me to go to the negative side, no chalk am daba side, the ma chalk hen daba. Una go feel am woto. Ana ige lecture onya goziri agoshina ebroyono. Nobody cause ya get ready missioner. So okay, the one who carry the first room on Pambromo no work. The now we people na they call, so make you call help on no work. Now them Mbaka on go work. Them Mbaka on. I respect Mbaka but you guys bring it in here. Now, rubbish. The video almost a year. Nobody is talking about Mbaka. Nobody brought Mbaka case. No, go through on that comment section. Then in a position of their jail people. Bariga Mbaka. Now, on just insult the man. If the comment section again, the step you took or the okay or the okay. Go to the comments. Go to that useless -00. You know when you get click that hungry blogger. That is your two blogger they use one and I make contact. That hopeless man and top 0 - useless o. Jele, join the comment section. Get the lost and confused son. Get Jpac onye bending collect burike. Go and read by yourself. That go no matters here. Whether the step you took is favoring you or is even backfiring all of you. You see, you guys have brought ridiculousness to a man I did not even bring in this saga. A man that is not a look at what people are just now remind dear which is uncalled for. I didn't bargain for it. You guys Jpac, I will be hold on. You want to bring him back a matter? You want to bring him back a matter? Now let us go there. What I go? I say I can't allow with the KJ so ya. Are you the talker? I gave every soul with the KJ so ya. Best here for a very confused, useless man, Edipoto from Ogechi. Idiot took out don't do so gonna fabric. Your own is tomorrow. I'm coming for you tomorrow. I'm coming for you tomorrow. Cool down. I got me beggy. I will circumcise you tomorrow. Eddie may be in a back on a voice note. Please, book. You idiots. When you want already. Iban in on email. Iban in on emails. In on emails already. Get out your nigga. You that is already one. Leno. Onu Shion Chocha Tamocha Ejimoji. Why won't he see Amu and bend and collect? And when he call them mother call. And when he call, you put a dagger for B, put a QC. And when he call them mother corner, Yabafen and Kendibia. Yabafen and Kedo. Yabafen, Ebon Yarachan. Unstable idiots. A man that has no dignity whatsoever. A man ain't anything to write home about. A boy, just name. Tell him out. Gage. Every week. You are not a man. So, somebody gave you a vow. You just they cost your useless self. Hold on. Aya, Otila. What I do? And the bias convinced.
Whatever you see on social media is not the way it is. When you see that person physically, you know whether people are age or corroborate. I went there to survey, to Nene, Kandocha, Kama. self. Anybody working there, they are working very truly, wholeheartedly. And the young man that is like he's building the economy of Lagos State. That is high time he move all these things and they went out to Southeast. Immediately they made the pronunciation, they made the announcement that they move all this program to Southeast. That was when it will have to highest money because NIPA reviewed the Lagos State government. First time I moved on the vehicle, the revenue and the allocation and whatever, all the much, was not the way that they are able. Adi Enugu, Anambra, or Imo State.
Now, Kai Gerezie video mere today. Emana, it's always your works against your works. Hold on, let me block this thing. Oh yeah, Otilo. It's always your works against your own works. You can never be steady in life. You always use your own word to hang yourself. That is how it is. Oh yeah. It's always your works against your works. And you go create account tire. Upon we blocking, very easy. And they block you. Account to tire. You want to go? Now me go they block tire. I know you go create account to tire. So it's always your own works against yourself. Kamadu geji lecha character like you. Believe, whoa. Believe, whoa. Anything that will come out of you, say, Naega Ngunugi, Nina Heme anything. Wait, make we go to the video you made, Nanke, Yamba.
I urge my son where acquired the property. Some of the property where I saw and got acquired before, I know be a wine can now. There's a baby on a chamoko, no wine, was a good case at no wine. But I'm not looking one wicket or one key. When you made up an hour or Dabahara because of getting ABI goods or the monetary. I paid you salary every month 100,000 without working.
Just for being your girlfriend.
Just to be my fiancé. When you can now know. When you can there's a patch and know and I would you. The person Jerry Sinazu, Jeba, one of my ex-girlfriend when there's a rook and sorry, not just here and why this and that. Him wrote what just Sinazu could never with the girl. Okoyanka Bibem near him. Now, what's never with the girl? Hana or Kanarumunji. I'm no mona, him repair, mana family.
The relationship on getting a fan back. And then, if I man, Keduki Metotage as somebody that you are a beneficiary of this magnanimous man.
When they pay him, carry it was a pain on yourself. As I can say that now, his death pains me more than it was a pain on the bear.
On a pen, Mokaya Koshe pen in Munya. Ogechi, you always been vindicated. The people, the Ghana make him vindicate. Just a matter of time. A Ghana make him vindicate. It's just a matter of time, mom. That is it. Do you want me to say the negative part of the works that came out of his mouth? No. You be the one to also use your own imagination. The same way you do she. You want to go? The same way you see, getting my mouth on dead in the wire nine in the round. The same way and put your negative thoughts together and come and interpret this. I will not go for that. I will not go for that. You want to go? Now, I beg you in a program. Email today. Gente. Gente, can I get you?
Hey, what I see you. Kula le pitas. Unka ni kula le pitas.
We are waiting for you.
It's Jpac and Saka divine.
Odike. Come try little. It's another one. Try. What do you call this one? Okay, all this one.
I hope you are hearing me and you are watching me. You know, I believe you sign on with a plot of land in Opanam. Opanam the center of Asaba. Hey, because the Lord was here.
We did already.
They could have screen record. They got him 10 minutes. I'm caught for live video. If you are in China, Kulele Bitas, they enter China. I mean, call him out. Call him out from pool. Call him.
This other corner, this long one. Sure.
Put one name and one name.
Cherry, this one.
Thank you very much. One name. Have an agreement, Southeast blogger, Southeast content creator. But you don't go work. How man I had to go there reinforce war. Well, I should have dealt with unity and love.
You know, man, now how got reinforce war. But I told you guys that these people in a meeting, they cannot say the truth. They will always gather to say, none of them are speaking the truth. They have gathered to reinforce themselves. So, again, less man in a fake peace. Just to come, defend ya, that was why you reinforce war. Really? Your words is always against your own words. That's naked until.
Yeah, with one name and one name.
Akoko.
You know, so when you come out of the house, I'm better publicly die your job. Stay up here when you were. Now I was misled, you know. When you offend person, try and apologize. But a lot of people find it difficult to say SORRY. That is sorry. You know, and I meant to album boss, album or God that I cannot say sorry. Come on, make a woman. And many moments I come and make a woman. Most of them now, kidding.
Oh, again, I'm going to cast white jugi here. Despite being charged by Ababata, go and ask the sign of what is happening to you. Eba Asuna Shuna Dokoge Joe the sign. In a wish other people on imagine you're already a dead corpse walking. You want to go? Go and what is really your problem? Joe people, why Aswa you came, you see why I had issues with you. You keep lying to people, not because him an apology. No him and Chuwage. Because Ziggy Zaga, in when he repost to that video, up that day they were war. Ne queen directly G force who open. Now the reason why Ogechi not with me because I'm near over how many millions of naira. Because when he repost to that video, because I'm a Jpac program again. You know, you see this guy. Believe him on your own detriment. Onya. Abo. Please listen. Emege jagwa share. Emege jagwa zigizaga. I repost to that video. Opotara. Na shogwa ya kuhuja support gamo. You left. Nobody give a fuck because you came to ask for money. You did not get the each other. We don't even care whether you went and made peace with the Obodoless man. Or you did not make peace with anybody. But you went because you did not get the money you're looking for. You switched 360. Every day, Potara. Get 100 days in Meregi. Get one MH fasting. In the 100 days, I baga weekend. Babu we You keep lying and lying and lying and lying. Every day you make up another story. One night you make up new. Thursday you make. Nobody ever in this life question your peace. The first time you told Ako to leave Ogechi, that if you guys want to be with Ako, get an ex-convict. Ako said, yeah, am I gonna leave Oge? The same idiot one can shower. Get a acquisition on a London and a Ugo baby. Ugo baby had to call. Do you know that? Ugo baby, eh? You see, my spirit never deceived me. My spirit never deceived me. Told the man no information now. I never knew you called that to stay away from me. You that is a betrayer. You that betrayed Keza Okurora. You that ran into people that want to destroy your Okurora, knowing the truth you can. He were devil. He were devil. That is why you know these people that pretend to do like this, stay away from him. And this idiot had to call frame Anonye, put you in a line, shark. That's you. This one Oje convince Yako. Remind the Marco, Ndai Matara na Facebook. While I'm Matrangi from so place, he's been a one manager, goes okay, any position about Kono. I am just a true friend that always fight and finish. They joke about me. I never betrayed anybody. I will my friend, even Anna Bogo dig outside, I will defend you. Go and ask my history. You claim to be a friend, but you dine and wine with enemies here. You dine and wine with enemies here. You gave Jpac 500K for a wedding here, right? Did you? Did not. Eririm Jiggy. And are you more decent than me? You that will give Nigeria welcome Ndiwa no dia no anona room gerage. Do you want me to start telling you your fucked up life story? You that invite different men into your household. Digiga one akona age no na room gerage. Do you want me to start telling people the story of people visiting your house in London? Can be your story. Go and keep on living in a dead marriage. And he live here. No, we go. Stay away from me. Stay clear. Oh, so Ija nka diniregi. Yana ex-convict megala no work for them. Ye dinye kuogi. Ye dinye kuogi. I don't betray. Mpuruge na so kama okugiru na ala. Muna ga nwona de 10 na emege. Other possible. That fault I can never judge you in public. That is why I'm gonna get the number any day. If you betray one judge in public, that ends it all. I may not come to fight you just to remain the old time's sake. I will stay clear. 1 million miles away from you. Because him again make me I can't take it. I'm gonna give when it will be low high. But to trusting you again, that won't be more. You a dangerous species. Okay, je mega procast. Gebru Desi Empire. Idiot a threat na maka ege shiba Desi. Potano bi about Desi war. Desi don't post you. Try and come out. Bi about ya war. Jpac na Ashawa Loro was discussing a different topic up together. Gebru Ashrege. It's like a one woman. By then people lose why onye kporo ya aha. Ya putazi live program. Gejin directly kuo ya. Then actually there is no need to hide. No, Daisy. No. Why can't she call him touch up Daisy? Because someone that Daisy is a weaker vessel. Daisy don't like. Daisy cannot talk much. Daisy is a low key person. Oh, who one Daisy is Zoria show you traditional wedding. Idiota. No, not Daisy ego. Daisy ego. That show about traditional wedding. Now Daisy buy and give him all. Now Daisy buy give this idiot to that shoe. You know go talk those ones. Dano here no go talk those ones. You know go talk them. Oh! That's traditional wedding no many. Odiko nya kuro funny show hon. Apa this is Zoria shoe ho. Ndala. Abi threaten and yano. Okay, ku now because this is always you. But if anybody else can talk. Because this animal go now when you guys start showing people weak points, you know. Igbalani yana ina la chok saga na to go job. Ta put the fucking saga or say so. Put your say so let's put all on one. I am Jewron culture because I like you couldn't make it then. And when I say that come nigga, one man on a D. They go bomb no get you, no get for you, no get kiki, no get bikini, no go children. Kill us okay, ya come down. That just make up stories and talk rubbish. Get it, ya come. Eh? Oh, this is that is why, even if me I not read the news, I can don't face my enemies. Until this idiot they buru my father, Potter, nobody would have known that I lost my father. Because say, oh, will be a jalo. And they wouldn't again have to face your enemy. Oh, your mind is to defeat them. It doesn't matter who fall apart. Destroy those people. Whatever you will do it. I will be ok. If you don't have the mind, stay clear. You know, just come and see my weak point. Let me see. And when anything you get with them or what? That is why. Oh no, we're gonna never show this person saying here we hear against Sobu. What I go? The reason I go, I will go to Maggie, dead here and I got. Because cannot let your enemy see your weak points. Prince, what I go? And I go here. There about Daisy out the war. Come and go that Daisy. What I go? Anaka, Ajikara gacha. China no so China. Ichukurana that man Potarane. That man, that young lady Potarane. No young Azuria. You may go that kind of shoe in Europe. That's your Obagame traditional wedding. Daisy bought it plus ego Daisy in here. You did not talk those ones, so you did not talk those ones. Look at Koshi Brudes Ghana broadcast. Every time this man will never accept no when you made the wrong. Everybody will chat problem what you made mistake. A man that cannot own up. Fine, I did. If you come out and apologize to Bobodoles man, say I fucked up, I messed up, it will not happen again. Let us forge ahead. If I come for you, make I don't see tomorrow. But before you start rendering apology, why would you use an energy solo? Nani shizi, the Bible here. Listen to this bofu. Listen to this bofu. This aton. Get me awa about here for.
For the how accident, for the how to DP, for the how many things. It was that very mood, that very day, you may apologize. Bah! Told you what the thing why I say, Kim! Ha! Jpac, betray guy, Jpac has betrayed us.
Wait! You made apology video after Obodoles man came to your wedding. When did you left us? You know you contradict yourself with lies. Since you left us. What's no a problem should be done? Can be she poor in a problem now. It's no Kumada fire. Is it not why when people start finding out that when again with a problem? As soon as you're leaving, leave Zion alone. Because I know who ye me. You want to go? We put an anka about before your wedding. Did you get it or you didn't get it? You enter inside the copa because it's your wedding. So before then, we collect woto. You kept quiet, man, hapoge. Right? You kept quiet, man. But anything to for anyhow, paper for you. So, Kezi Moji wuru after your apology, the problem, Jibido. You see how you lied and keep lying to yourself. Kezi Moji wuru, what apology came yesterday, why the problem on your bitona came mesh. You see how when you lie, you paint yourself so useless. Mistakenly mentioned that Kozayo mentioned Zolo Bitters. Get deleted the video, but people who go the wise are capture go here. You see how you lie? Let me tell you, everybody they make mistake, but they Jpac, because of money you came, Aku was feeding you, paying your house rent. It's a computer you list. Do you want me to start showing list? I still get it. Mention my payment page, go. I can still show it all. How did the apology you rendered after your wedding a problem? You came out rendering an apology and you started laying blame on us. Nandoka Yusurugi. How? You came because you need money. You started giving information in 1 year joroge. Everybody you listed, war. All these things people let me tell you, there's some people I will not reply. Or you can get target. Until when I'm done with you. But then for now, and when any distraction you get put that will distract me. Never. When I no go leave you. Until get could be. Lie. And balapoge.
How can Jpac come on live video? Now you know Budo. How can Jpac come on live video? Now you know the.
Una ko sha togashi here. Una ko sha togashi here. Emo ponye chattere ya. Emo ponye contact. Oh hapola anye long block everybody. Everybody that block where. Since he left, he blocked everybody. Everybody block where. So kezi mba oji mecha wetenario. Look at how this man can lie. Can lie.
Yeah, sorry. Hey, this guy don't get integrity. I don't get integrity. The image of mother, you have integrity. The same thing applicable on Bembia and Apaka, they can let they influence you. And they won't write up against Masafara and Baka. People don't mention I deleted it. May open apology, which is still on my page till date.
Cambridge apology to Mbaka. Ombe hapurani gachawa to reconcile with everybody again about our work. Ombe no with us. Cambridge realize that him and Mbaka de number. Jpac, when did you realize? When Mbiji John Mbaka Ombe says oh Nanda cho hinyemego nakam switch ye. Keep it okowinyo. Cambridge realize yeah. When did you realize it, Jpac? Try to make. Oh God.
Me open apology to Mbaka. That apology for 2 days.
Liar.
Una mani hena ga nje do just do. Saga na bambo ana frame saga. E frame wo finye ke ebo me kan we wike we haters. It's a lie. People no go hate me. Because ndị na-agbara m ọgụ organically, not paid people, organically.
And when you're not nobody there saga for you. You are just paying, wasting your money. Swear with your life that they are even doing it with themselves. I question no gaga reunion. You see what you said? Oh, but the last man can also still come out. He can still come out. Because that is you. Ibola you go the other day, that one no enter. Ibola Ijuwa, you know enter. Now Ibila brainwash wakana. You see what he said there coming. You need every help. Mandi put information here. Go chale be na nwoke dinara. He dey mention ukwa. The same person you are bringing information telling us that Koji the only child. Kamaya jiri happy obara kuna alwala di atupu ya na di. Because of who asks you? Yaki mention on this video. Nah, he has apologized. You do the same and stop defending the fight. You don't know how it's started. Who is this one? Who is this one? Come on, call it.
So which means I want to do.
No, they make it petty. Anybody talking in the only ego. And when only a reasonable blogger will come and be talking rubbish. Nothing. Nobody there. Oh, because no union. No union. I know what is union. Union don't go against each other. Oh no, union and they have collected their own share. Wedding. Is it not what you told them? What go? So I collected their share. How many people have you promised? How many people are you giving? No, but it was the matter here now. 70% Sheba Magia. If they pay like 500,000, she may pay here. Can people okay, but nobody gets it. People are joyful. They are ready for me to send you to your early grave. Not they ready. They are pure ready. In a go 500,000. I'm they want you, they want to waste you because you have touched people. You may go people and they have an walk through everything you could get is they look at it. Actually, mission and suspension. I think we're gonna Zion grant. A nota or Zion. Nota a better dinner. This payment upon your suspension, you will keep lying with your deceitful information, with your demonic acts. It cannot to shame. Just made up story. I couldn't na East now know that you when you're suspended. Keep lying and lying. I wish not 3 months or the 3 months or Rube. I will not lie back. Oh, after suspension, you don't know. Oh my God! You see these people? Only one make it. Only you blew up and make it. Who can say anything? OMG, I'm like a Nigeria. They're very important. We have to bring many things to justice. Many things in the dream bring it to book. And I call you. Listen to Yana Magano because whom your wife ain't want to call.
When I say Jpac, they are clear air. That air pitch shaking make a woman now because the chicken go clearing of any air.
Oh, you just go clear of air. Go. You must. It's a must. Can somebody say it's a must? You're no longer clearing air. It's a must. Oh no, far. Agama bagi yako bo. Agama bagi keki ko bo. Agama bagi yako bo. And when one idiot, one attorney we blog actually Jimmy do yeah. One attorney she. Jpac, I was get papa. She all the men in our family ya. All my men in our family did not take Jpac and Anna Oyanike. So there is no need for your video. All the men, none of my family did not call Jpac. She I told me onye do time. I'm ohiri kademo. You see? They don't have business with that. All the men in my family never said, I am coming, I have accepted the challenge. In a query, you cannot use me to, I can make, but in your game and all, give what on, Usuke wo. You a fool. You can't even control my little no lawyer won't double the cam. You are ton. Even because you keep mentioning my name, I will block you from today for tagging my page. It was because I cannot waste my precious time watching a dead idiot like you that don't have nothing to contribute. Everybody want to tag my page. Can ne bold soon a woku? Can ne ba an idiot to and come uramona on a woku? When put the proper no gano. No me can't get papa and the bandage maggie. Oh soon. I'm a kid JB, one leader other. You failed. JB Domina, la Bawandoka church, Bawandoka war. Oh, Gabido. Indeed, he began follow Weggy. Come on, go and look for job and stop you wasting your data. Come on, Susu for me. Well, I'm not Jpac and help on a the page, maybe. Or take Oga, he help Oga, not Susu. Okay, help you build your page. Okay, help you build your page. Oh, come and go and look for job. Get all bend brush and make it on. Dala, not coily. Come on, get out. Idiots. And when any of my family members or Jpac and a phone share that he can bend the more road to that day. Oh, so keep open him and equal. Can I say, a man, in a empire prophet. Come on, get out! In a quick man? Do you talk like a man? What is the pattern? Onye empire professor no ejere school jeku ewu ichoka unu choka no keme intimidate ka machine on But then I'll be, she's irresponsible, she's not there, she's like, hey. Uncultured that shower Jpac, ne puru even, okay, I'm sure I get that the more to process my issue.
And they clear them pag egg, and they clear them egg, and they clear up among pag egg. Where can they clear egg? So why do you keep on moving to Buna? And then I want to go carry organically. So can they come mad as you?
Jpac, you a liar. And one you bagara go. And when he keep up quiet. Atuzila she ke hi na esoro enwe onye na agbara gị nothing enwe onye gbagara gị oge ịtụọla she onye alagbala gị ọkụ onye alagbala gị ọkụ a na-akpọ ya n'ike because ọnwụ onye otu gị a na-akpọ n'ike onye ga-agbara gị ọgụ o wepụrụ lọsọ na inyere ego gị na ọ na-arakwu dị na ka ahụ ọ na-arakwu why would a reasonable man pụta nwụọ iyi n'ime hụ ya onye ahụ nọ dị ya onye ahụ nọ there if I may ask you that person nọ there ana akọ iri
Ebe nwere more than 300 people na agbara m ọgụ.
More than 300 people. Wait, mgbe other people na-agba gị war, ị na-enwe ndị na-agbara gị ọgụ. Why do you respond to them? You see this man. Mgbe other people they defend gị, don't you tackle cases eboro gị ebubo? Okay, this na mboro gị ebubo. Why don't you tackle it? Ndị na-agbara gị dị ọgụ. Ndị dị against you ka ndị na-agbara gị agbara because o wee go ka ị nyere ha. Anybody na baragog. Anyway, I don't see anybody because you have taken the challenge. Not the shy away from Otulagage latest. Each like this no getting a question. Na test I mean I want you share yamma. That she have taken the test because all begin it was the challenge, Mammy Lazo. What I go? It was the challenge now, Mammy Lazo. Oh, you must come. Somebody say it's a must. It's a must. Imagine. 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 Imagine.
That day, your back block or WhatsApp for 2 days now, but Jpac, you want to take it to why you a man?
Hey, she making.
Why is he in a because you could watch about somebody, but I chop that you could. You're publicly how we finish him the group.
Which group? Because which group?
Why do you remember?
Jpac, because we put the group, I know. We put the group, I know. I thought we put that group. I give evidence. We put. Am I not showing the ones we have with you? You get we put here. Oh God, oh God! I got continue on here. Biano nketa bola na Jpac. Echi kamono nu get put guys. Na no na me go gagala. See you guys. Bye. Nga want me share this program. Kamisha go there on my big page. No wahala. Ogechi dey everywhere. I no get wahala. Now you where the wahala they go the hot, not me. I'll give one when the wahala, not me. I don't know why the thing not affect you. I don't know why you are crying. Oh, you know that affects you. Then why are you crying? It's not affecting you. Why are you crying? You are okay. Why are you worried? She know my program, she know my page for it. I'm bad in a program. And my report bad. But I show me a report to anybody. You know, I don't know where I my leg up. And what I go? Mountain no shake. We mount no shake it. No way. Guys, share this page. Share this page. No way. No tamper my page for your own good. Matapana na machu ego na Facebook. Na you go cry anyamu. Ehuna mba report gi ga na ebe. Na ego gi. Well, I will come for revenge na nki ime go dire me. Me personally, I go do revenge. Na nki ime go dire me. Ti feel it to the heat. What I go? Jeda mba report video page go. Nki ime go dire me. I go revenge. And what I go? Now I go revenge. Go do this one where you do. Guys, follow this page. Mua get revenge go din ki mere me. But let Chineke nna gi let Facebook ka ha reply go di man me che go di heche. Because I want them there, you know, I dispute it, they will take their time to evaluate the video. No, sir, I don't tell you.